We Talk Football SA. Sikhuluma la ngomdlalo, the match between Orlando Pirates and Orbit College, whereby Orlando Pirates won by 2-0, but they never scored, but they scored. Eric Magasha.
Yes.
Barimini.
I Sangare.
Rovua.
Yes.
So, what did you see yesterday?
Yesterday, I saw a different Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
And Orlando Pirates that is having 90 minutes
Yes.
to celebrate
Yes.
from the 30 games that they play.
Yeah.
It was not simple. I remember when we started two matches,
Yes.
the first two matches,
Yeah.
we lost back to back.
Yes.
And it was sad for Orlando Pirates family.
Yes.
We thought like, no, we are not going to make it.
Yeah.
But I like the boys,
Yeah.
the integrity of the boys, knowing what is best for them, for the team,
Yes.
for Orlando Pirates family, for the management,
Yes.
knowing why they were hired to play for Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
They kept on going. They pushed and pushed until to the last day, which is yesterday.
Yes.
Even though people can say that Pirate didn't score, it doesn't matter that one.
Yeah.
What matters, we have reached into the final stage of becoming the champion.
Yes.
We were competing with the best team, Mamelodi Sundowns. It was
By
not
the best.
simple
The
to
best.
compete with
Say
Sundowns.
that again.
You need to be the best
Yeah.
in order to win.
Yeah.
You need to compete with the best in
Yeah.
order to win. I like it when I say I saw a different Orlando Pirates. There was a game that they played last week with Durban
City. Yes.
It was tough.
Very
And
tough.
that was the last mountain to climb so you can celebrate. I
Yeah.
understood what it was difficult.
Yes.
It was not because Pirates failed.
Yeah.
It was a sign that Pirates is the champion this season. It
Yes.
doesn't matter how many mountains can come.
Yeah.
But they know the only mountain that is left, it's Orbit College.
Yes.
Remember, Orbit College has got a giant to beat, so they
Yeah.
won't be relegated.
Yes.
So it is a game of integrity and knowing what is best for you.
Yeah.
But Orlando Pirates, all in all, they came out victorious.
Yes. After the match, the Orlando Pirates coach Abdeslam Wadu came with a confusing statement when he said he feels tired. He will speak to management. What does that mean?
When he spoke like that, those are the words that need men to think of.
Yeah.
It's not the words that everybody can understand.
Yes.
It's a different statement.
Yeah.
He might be saying that he is considering leaving Pirates.
Yes.
He might be saying that he's considering to improve his contract.
Yeah.
He might be saying that he needs another better players or strikers or whatever he can add.
Yes.
So it's different to say what exactly is he saying. But
Yeah.
this one, it needs people who are matured to understand the statement.
Yes.
He said coaching a Pirates, it's not simple.
Yeah.
It drains you. You
Yes.
don't rest.
Yeah.
You need to think of it. You sleep, you think of Pirates. You woke up, you think of Pirates.
Yeah.
You go to the field, you think of Pirates. You're in vacation, you think of Pirates.
Yeah.
Because it's a team that is having a rich history.
Yes.
So you don't come to break the history. You must come to add history.
Yeah.
So he added history. But the way you are saying, it is heavy to carry Orlando Pirates to next season.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't know what is going to happen.
Yeah.
So a coach like that, he has done a good job. We saw him playing left and right, difficult and simple games.
Yes.
Sometimes he put players that we say you are not supposed to put, but at the end of the day, it's a collective of working
Yeah.
with pressure. It's a collective of working with integrity. It's a
Yeah.
collective of working with their knowledge, skills, or whatever you see the player can do.
Yeah.
So it remains in his mind and the management. What are they going to decide? But for me, I think he's trying to say that I know he won't continue even if the time is given, or else he will continue if Orlando Pirates can sit down and talk the way forward, the plans for next season ahead. Or maybe perhaps he needs something better to take a rest and then he comes back after a whole day, refreshed his mind.
Something better like a whiskey.
Like whiskey. You coach this kind of team.
Yeah.
You don't have a pressure for the player
Yeah.
that is selected.
Yes.
You've got the pressure for the fans. Remember, you lose, the fans will try to say, why did you put this player?
Yes.
You win, now they say the coach is good.
Yeah.
For me, the guy is good.
Yeah. No, it's good.
He's got knowledge. He's got skills when it comes to players. I like it when I say Pirates was a pacey team this season.
Yes.
It's a pacey
The original
team.
Orlando Pirates.
This is the football that we were looking to see when Orlando Pirates play.
Yes.
Especially when Orlando Pirates play this kind of football. We take the tremble. We take the league.
Yes.
If we don't play it, we can't take the league.
Take two.
It's difficult for Orlando Pirates to take the league if they're not pacey like this.
Yeah.
I remember the time of the coach Ruud Krol. Pirates were flying like this. You can see the same mentality from the coach to the teams, to the management, and thanks to the management, our management, the young as he is, he lead Orlando Pirates into a great achievement.
The Koza brothers.
The Koza brothers, they know what they are doing.
Yes.
They don't talk too much. They just talk on the field.
Hey, yesterday, when I was speaking on our fans weight, okay, when Pirates played Durban City.
Yes.
When I spoke on my fans way to, I said everyone, and I also highlighted the digital content creator of Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Then yesterday after the game, I saw another video that was out of this world where the coach was eating popcorns.
Yes.
And there were voices criticizing the team playing behind from different guys. But the coach was just sitting there eating popcorns with the Betway Premiership Cup next to him. So, what can you say about the Orlando Pirates digital content creator? I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's Thando Mtaung.
Yes.
Or Thando Khoza, the daughter of Zodwa Khoza and the daughter of Zodwa Khoza and Sizwe Mtaung.
Yes.
I think that lady and her team, they are doing a great job.
That is a great job that we're doing. You know, when you won the cup, you need to celebrate anyhow. You think like you're celebrating.
Yeah.
The sign or the picture that was a picture that the person was sitting and eating popcorn.
While people were criticizing. Yeah.
He was taking care of his business.
Yes.
Remember, when you celebrate, you need to understand that people will criticize you.
Yes.
It doesn't matter how they criticize.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you need to celebrate.
Yes.
We're not going to celebrate all of us.
Yeah.
It's a sign of relaxing. Eating popcorn, you are relaxing.
Okay.
People are going to watch movies. They eat popcorn.
Yeah.
They are relaxing and enjoying what they are watching.
Yes.
So this person was enjoying the triumph that we get yesterday.
Yes.
We were relaxing. It shows that at the end of the day, we can now sit back in our very own couch and relax. And remember, we are eating popcorn.
The team that if you are relaxing, you must eat popcorns. So that is the statement for today. Eric, my brother, thank you very much. That was Eric Makasha. We talk football SA with Mnikeni Mdungwa. Siyayivala. City, inform, entertain, educate, promote. We hope through this video, all these 4 words were fulfilled. Thank you.